Okay, so exciting news. It's been 2 years we've been trying to buy this deluxe canoe. First time we bought it, tried to buy it, they had no stock. Second time we went, they showed they had stock, but it was damaged. Third time we ordered it, which was 3 weeks ago, it got canceled. So magically, there was 2 in stock a few days ago, and we ordered it, and we got the email saying that, ta-da! It's in stock. So off to Corner Brook we go. There's really nothing more beautiful than driving from Little Pond to Corner Brook, which is the big city. But it's about an hour away, and I can tell you I've been stuck in traffic longer than that on the Queensway from Orleans to Sinsville, and you don't get to see this sort of magical experience. ETA to Canadian Tire is 5 minutes, so we're really hoping that no shenanigans occur and we're able to just do an easy pickup, reload on some supplies, and head back to Little Pond. Well, here we are. We made it to Canadian Tire, and we picked up our canoe and some brand new paddles to go along with it, and some seed and other stuff for supplies. But how exciting is this? It's all loaded up on a trailer. The staff was absolutely fantastic. Amazing!
Hey, Little Pond friends. Well, Michelle and I are out on a nice Sunday for a little canoe ride. There she is. Hello. Beautiful day. We got our bug shirts on. Black flies are not as bad as they were a couple weeks ago, but the deer flies are out bad. And it's just more comfortable with the shirts on. Take a look at the pond where we are. We're almost at the far end from our cottage. Gorgeous day.
Let's see if we can find some ducks.
Let's see if we can find some ducks, absolutely. We'll be fighting the wind a bit on the way back, but if we're close to that far shore, it'll be easier. Where'd he go?
I don't know, he's really swimming.
Holy smokes. Maybe he's behind us. No. Yeah. How long could they stay down? I'm gonna start paddling with you soon. We're gonna wind up on the beach.
That's weird.
Awesome.
You could fish in this.
You could. Cheers.
Cheers.
We're anchored out here just at the far end of our little pond. I don't know if you can see a little red roof way up at the distance, but that's our neighbor. Beautiful day. We're calling for rain this afternoon, so we figured we'd get out while the getting's good. Wow, that's a nice little natural spring you found.
That's amazing. Oh, it's freezing.
Oh yeah?
There's actually a pipe.
I see it. Yeah, that's great.
How do you get your water there? Oh my god, it's like ice cold.
Isn't that something? We should fill up a jug here.
Huh?
We should fill up a jug here.
We should.
That's nice.
Excellent.
Next canoe trip, we have a mission now.
Can you get in here? Look at that.
That's beautiful.
How mossy it is.
Healthy.
It's fairyland.
Super cool. Oh, I can feel how cold the water is right here. Yeah, it's ice cold.
It's actually nice here in
And then-
comparison.
Yeah, it's that cold, eh?
Oh my god, my feet are numb. Wow.
That's insane.
Oh, it's coming from.
Oh, mystery salt. So, I'm gonna mark this as a parking place on Google.
Okay. Cool. another stream. Yeah.
What's with your spidey sense on these?
You can't hear them?
I kind of get mixed up with the regular sound of wind and water. But
There's another one right there too.
oh, that's awesome.
Wow, that one ever gushing also. That one's way closer.
Huh. Might not have to go as far.
Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no. That'll be battle.
I tell you, if we'd have been in a boat, we'd give up.
Yeah. Lost our angle there.
There's some more along the left here now.
Look at that! Uh-oh. It is today. I love it. Great upper body exercise.
Yep.
True story. Holy Christ, I'm hot with this thing on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it off.
All right. I'll do the same thing. Go ahead.
little beachy area I wanted to see. See? Oh, we can? Okay. Ahoy! Fun.
I might stretch my legs on this one.
It's a good idea. Want to bring in a bit?
Yep. I'll turn on R2 for whatever good it does.
It's been working,
It's
I
been
think.
working.
I'm sure you want to turn it off.
It's on. I had it off when we were in the high winds there.
All these rocks are square.
Oh, wow. Nice. Nice. Well, we found a little rocky beach across the pond. No tadpoles? Like Riverstone, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, look how the flowers are on that stone. That's gorgeous.
Oh, that is pretty.
They grow everywhere.
Funny, eh? Not a single tadpole.